How to sign up on Temu. Hello everyone and welcome to the channel once again. In this video, I'll be showing you some simple steps via which you can sign up on Temu. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open up your Play Store application and search for Temu. Don't be fooled by all of the other options that have the similar logo. Make sure that you're downloading the Temu application itself. Simply tap on it and then install it. After that, you can tap on the open option in order to open it and then go to the sign in option located at the bottom. If you don't find it, simply go to the U option available on the bottom prompt as well. Then you will find the option for sign in and register. When you tap on it, you'll be greeted by this screen. And here you can either sign in with your email or phone number, or you can continue with Google, Facebook, or X. Simply tap the one that you prefer the most and then choose the account that you want to log in with. Here I'm choosing my Google account since that is what I personally prefer, but you can choose either Facebook or X as well. Then it will ask you for your phone number. You can either type in right now or you can type in later. After that, you can continue browsing by going to the home option and then continue shopping. And there you go. That is how you can sign up on the Temu application. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to see more content like this, please consider supporting us by subscribing to the channel.